Welcome back everybody. In this video, I'm going to give you a full tour of the exterior and interior of this brand new 2022 Forest River Vibe 2026. I will also show you the inside with the slide out fully retracted so you can see how much room is still inside. You can still continue to get to the rear bunks, the front bed, and the kitchen area to pack up all your camping supplies without ever having to extend the slide out. So let's take a look. We'll start with the front of the RV unit. It has the power tongue jack along with two LP tanks underneath this cover. It has a battery disconnect switch for traveling, a LED light for nighttime hooking up, and the power jack also has a light on it for hooking up at night. Up front you have a large pass-through storage. This model has the power Lippert stabilizing jacks. One nice feature about this unit is the main entry area has the MORryde step above solid steps. It's equipped with the King Connect. This unit does have a 190 watt solar panel mounted right above on top of the unit above the awning and door area here. There's two exterior speakers for your radio and a small outside kitchen area with a convection oven, a little wash sink here, and a hot point fridge. Has a 110 power supply, hook up for your cable. And this is the Camp Anywhere package. So it does have the heated underbelly and insulated underbelly. This is your water heater area here, access point. This unit has the wide stance axles, so when towing it's got a little bit more stabilization. And it does have a rear entry as well, which is nice. It takes you right into the bathroom, so you don't have to track up your whole camper if you need to use the bathroom. Has a 20-foot power awning. The awning does have a LED light strip on it. Comes with a nice spare tire. The cat is not included, but I see our cat wants to go camping. Hi, Jazz. And I did prep it with a backup camera. I'll leave a link in the description where you can see that video as well, if you're interested in installing a backup camera. This is your power supply area here. The unit does come with an outside shower and a rear storage compartment as well, where you can store your power cord. And here is your gray and black tank drains. It's got a very nice big slide out with large scenic windows on it. Up front, you'll have your freshwater connection. And the other side of the pass-through for the front storage. Now we'll take a look inside. As you walk in, you have a fire extinguisher. Your entry is inside the kitchen living area. Here you have access to your water pump water heater, the tank heaters, and your interior and exterior lighting. You have your awning control and your slide control right here, along with the fireplace and microwave switch. This is the main bedroom. The closet has a nice little storage cubby, putting your shoes and clothing in. Nice cabinets up above for storing other items. And a little side closet with a mirror on it. Down below the side of the bed, you're going to have your Go Power charge controller. This unit has a large 50-inch TV with a soundbar and also a built-in stereo, and a 30-inch Furrion electric fireplace. This couch is also a hideaway bed, so you can sleep an extra 2 people here. And the dinette area also folds down into a bed, so you can sleep 1 or 2 people in this area. Towards the back, we have a set of bunks, great for the kids, upper and lower. They both have a 110 outlet, so they can charge their gaming stations or cell phones, whatever it might be. And down below, they have a little hiding spot or storage area.
And then over here, like Dean said, he showed the outlet, and then over here, you can pull this, do that, push, and then you have some breeze. And then that's it for me. Then Dean can take the rest of it.
In the kitchen area, you have a pull-away faucet head here. A little drying rack. A nice Furrion gas stove with an oven inside. Storage down below. Underneath here you'll have your garbage area and your plumbing access. And then 2 more drawers for storage. You have your carbon monoxide detector. Up above you have 2 nice glass cabinet doors, storing all your utensils and cups, and a Furrion microwave. It has a Furrion exhaust hood with a light on it. And this unit has a 10 cubic foot all electric refrigerator. So that solar panel up on top of the unit is going to supply the power needed to the battery to power your refrigerator and freezer all weekend long if you want to go boondocking. Next to the fridge, there's another little pantry area here. And then you have access to your water pump and water heater down below. Here's access to all your breakers and fuses. Your furnace is located down below this access panel here. And behind this last door, we have the bathroom. Nice little sink and a little storage area down below. New for this year, they went with a porcelain toilet. Previous models had plastic toilets, so this is an upgrade. And a nice stand-in shower with a nice skylight up above. Has a nice sliding shower door that self-squeegees the water off when you put it back. And up above you have your ventilation for your bathroom. This unit's equipped with one AC unit and a nice skylight up above the kitchen area, so it stays nice and bright in here all the time, even with the lights turned off. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring the slide in, and you can see how much room there is with the slide in. All right, now with the slide closed, you can see you still have access to the main bedroom. And you have complete access to the kitchen area. You have about 1.5 feet of space right through this area. So you can still load up your fridge. And you can also access the pantry, the rear bathroom, and the bunks, all with the slide fully in. That makes it really nice for when you want to go camping and you don't want to have to take your slide in and out to pack up all your gear. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this 2022 Forest River Vibe 26BH. I'm going to be doing a lot of video upgrades to this unit. I'm going to be installing a dimming switch for the LED awning so that I can keep it on at night and not disturb the campers next to me, along with some really cool accent lighting on the interior. So please subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.